वेलकम मनीष जी।
वेलकम अखिलेश जी।
मनीष जी, एक क्वेश्चन है दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर फ्रेशर कि किसी भी इंटरव्यू में जब फ्रेशर जाता है इंटरव्यू के लिए तो इंटरव्यूअर ऑलवेज आस्क वन क्वेश्चन, टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ। आई जस्ट वांट योर आंसर ऑन दिस क्वेश्चन, हाउ स्टूडेंट, जूनियर और फ्रेशर कैन रिस्पॉन्ड इन अ बेस्ट वे टू impress interviewer।
वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन अखिलेश जी।
थैंक यू।
एंड काफी टाइम से मैं इस क्वेश्चन के बारे में बात करना चाहता था।
ओके।
हमने हमारी प्रीवियस वीडियो में काफी नॉन टेक्निकल और सॉफ्ट स्किल क्वेश्चन के बारे में बात की है कि क्या क्या क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं। तो नाउ माय फोकस इज दैट कि हाउ फ्रेशर एंड जूनियर्स नीड टू आंसर अबाउट दोस क्वेश्चन। So this very first common question is just tell me about yourself.
Right.
And this is very common question for our freshers, juniors, and the campus recruitment.
Right.
Okay? And from last 4 to 5 years, I think you're also taking a lot of interviews. I'm also
Yes.
taking a lot of interviews from freshers and students from colleges.
Right.
And we generally ask these questions. And I have seen that they hesitate to answer this question in the very well manner. Maybe they just tally their names and little bit about their education or something like that. Today I want to tell what is the importance of this question.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
So here I want to guide the fresher. This question is very important.
Right.
To create the first impression of
Exactly.
the interviewer.
True.
Right? If they answer this question in the very well, so I here want to mention some points.
Okay.
How
Excellent.
this question is important.
Yes.
First, first is create the comfortable zone between the interviewer and the
Very much so.
fresher person.
Exactly.
If he or she describe himself much more and more about him, his family,
Right.
about his college background, training and everything. So the more he speak, he just create the comfortable zone between the interviewer,
Exactly.
between him and interviewer.
Exactly.
Second thing, this is the platform where he can lead to interviewer what interviewer have to ask of him.
Exactly.
Because like suppose the fresher has come for the geotechnical engineering or the mapping engineering or something.
Right.
So when the beginning when he tell about himself or herself, he can show about his interest, what is
Exactly.
interest,
Exactly.
what he has done in colleges, and focus. He can focus into about his or her strengths.
Exactly.
So this thing will give into your mind to ask question about themselves.
Exactly.
If he or she will not tell about anything about that, then what will happen? Interview will ask the question about his or her knowledge.
Exactly.
Right? But he or she tell about his or her interest. Then it will lead to interviewer to ask the question about them.
Yeah. Interesting. I mean, interested area.
Like to judge whatever he or she is saying, they are right about their point.
Exactly. I want to just elaborate, sir. I want to just add one more point. Just take example, any student from BTech, civil engineering. That student can go in the construction like your department, bridge department, highway department, rail track department. I mean, anywhere basically. So interview always try to listen and what is the student best interest.
Yes.
This is very important.
Yes.
Very good.
Second thing is about communication. This question is very important. Interviewer want to know about the communication. So the more you speak about yourself, your families, your college background and everything, and if you give the answer in a good way, you create your position that you are very good in the communication.
Exactly.
You are speaking very confidently, and you can tell about your strengths also.
मैंने देखा है सर ये क्वेश्चन इंटरव्यूअर कम्युनिकेशन को मेनली चेक करने के लिए इंटरव्यू जानना चाहता है कि टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ इन डिटेल। किस तरह से आप डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हो, आपका कम्युनिकेशन है कैसा है, प्रोनाउंसिएशन कैसा है, आप स्टोरी टेलिंग आपकी कैसी है, कैसे आप कनेक्ट कर रहे हो इंफॉर्मेशन को, दैट इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट। आई एग्री।
Now I want to tell finally what points and fresher and can cover in this question. First, he or she need to give his introduction. He can give about his family introduction. Then he or she can give about their college background, about their education. He can give about if he or she has done some paper presentation. What type of the internship he or she has done.
Exactly. What kind of project they have done in the internship.
what kind of final year project they have done, right?
Exactly.
He can tell about some challenging part about he or her college life during the education.
Exactly.
Did that give interviewer the feeling about
See,
he or she problem solving skills?
exactly. Very nice.
So right. So this point they need to cover, and I must say all the freshers they need to cover all the points by step wise. Don't hesitate to complete this question in very short.
Exactly.
It gives the interviewer perception about himself or herself, and the main thing, the more he or she speak, then it will he lead the interviewer about his strength direction, and the interviewer asks the question about whatever he or she know. If he is telling right whatever he is saying,
Exactly.
right?
So I want to just summarize this answer, sir. Very well answered from you, and I'm sure junior को या freshers को बहुत काम आएगा इसका idea. I just want to summarize. आपने बोला कि क्वेश्चन को पहले समझना है और उसको स्टेप बाय स्टेप डिटेल में आंसर करना है. कम्युनिकेशन में पूरा ध्यान देना है. और ड्यूरिंग कॉलेज लाइफ, इंटर्नशिप लाइफ, आपने जो प्रोजेक्ट किए हैं उसमें जो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग आपके पास जो अपॉर्चुनिटी आई है उसको आपने कैसे सॉल्व किया है उसको हाईलाइट करना है. एंड लास्ट आपने बोला है कि हमेशा नेवर गिव अप एटीट्यूड होना चाहिए ताकि इंटरव्यूअर को ये पता लगे कि यू आर वेरी काइंड ऑफ डिफरेंट पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट पर्सनालिटी. वेरी नाइस.
कॉलेज फ्रेशर्स के लिए हम ऐसी को एज ए इंटरव्यूअर हम बहुत ज्यादा प्रिपरेशन नहीं करते हैं कि हमें बहुत टिपिकल क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं. वी जस्ट चेक द माइंडसेट ऑफ द कि उसको बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग है या नहीं है.
एटीट्यूड बहुत मैटर करता है,
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट करता है, राइट? सो ड्यूरिंग दिस क्वेश्चन इफ she himself say about his strength, he said now I have very good in the structural engineering, I was very good in the bending moment diagram, shear force diagram, then he or she himself say, then what it will, yeah, you know this, then I will ask this. So he just want to check you have a basic understanding whatever you are telling.
और इस तरह के आंसर से क्या होता है कि जो कम्युनिकेशन होता है वो आगे बढ़ता है. और जब आगे बढ़ता है तो एक रिलेशन भी बिल्ड होता है स्टूडेंट और इंटरव्यूअर के बीच में. एक रिलेशन भी बिल्ड होता है,
कंफर्ट जोन आ
जाता है और वो रिलेशन आगे चल के अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर में कन्वर्ट हो सकता है.
Yes.
वेरी नाइस. थैंक यू वेरी मच मनीष जी.
Thank you.
इट्स अ ग्रेट आंसर आई वुड से.
So fresher, use these techniques about this your first question. I am sure it will help you a lot.
I'm damn sure. Thank you everyone.
Thank you everyone.